Morning. So we are starting near Temple, just over the road from Waterloo Bridge, and we're going to head that way and end up somewhere in the city. I'm trying to get as close to Barbican as possible. I don't know if the docking stations are going to be kind to me this morning, but let's give it a go, see how we fare. There you go. So it's a bit formal. I did a little cycle to get to here from Charing Cross, and oh my goodness, the cyclists in the morning here in London are a little like they're treating it like the Tour de France. And not the good kind of Tour de France riders, you know, more like the Mark Cavendishes. So we might have some nice overtaking on the way. But let's get this camera rigged up. And I've got a magnet for my camera, so I'm going to wear it on my chest like this. Then hopefully you'll get a fairly straight shot as we go. Now I've got to wait for a little break in the aggressive fast cyclists doing the Tour de France. This is stage 6. Let's go. We're going to go up to Blackfriars along the Victoria Embankment here. There's an Uber Eats. So we have Temple Station coming up on the left hand side. It is funny seeing cyclists all dressed in black, like we're supposed to see them, and they overtake unannounced as well, so you just got to watch yourself slightly. It's a queue for the lights. There we go. I'll let the taxi go. Dad's a taxi driver, so got to treat them well. That's my old school, City of London. Okay, there's going to be another big queue here, I think. Oh, straight into a green light, nice. Got to check right, because there are some light jumpers. Now I could go right, but I think I'm going to go a bit further, see if I can get to Ludgate Circus, which is down this way. Red light now. Huge building work. It's big building work going there. That's a really nice little bridge over there. It goes over the Thameslink line. That's where we've come from. We're going to head up to this junction here and turn right. There is a docking station on the left that's manned. and that is a good one. But I've got some time this morning. Let's see if I can get as close as I can to Barbican. I might have to come back and dump the bike here anyway. So yeah, this used to be the old Ludgate Circus station behind this new building. It was put up in 1990. It looks like they're redoing it, taking it back to the shell. Okay, here we go. I've got to take this junction in 2 stages. Can't just turn right. Well, I can't get into the right hand lane. How do I do this? I want to get over there. I've got some oncoming traffic. Let's join to here. Okay, that worked out well. Look at all the bikes though, my goodness. Look at all that. Right, so we're going to go up here. Oh, do you know what? I'm not going to do this. I'm going to carry on. I don't like going up there. There's some fatalities on that junction before they put the cycle lanes in. Talking of which, my favourite place in London on the left hand side is the docking station that the police docked my bike in when I had a massive crash about 10 years ago. It's nearly 15 years ago now. Oh, there's a bit of chaos. Here we go. Yeah, I'm going to go up here and turn right into Smithfield. Let's join the queue. Yeah, the docking station is just there. And I had a crash up in Shoe Lane behind this building. And City of London Police actually docked the bike for me. How kind's that? And I think they got it in under half an hour, so I wasn't charged. I was in hospital overnight though, but the bike was okay. Got this docking station on the left. We are going to go up here and turn right. Used to be able to turn right here. Is there a cycle lane? There's a cycle lane. Should we do it? Let's go up this way. Oh no, it's closed. Okay. So I'm going to have to turn right here. And I've got to do this in 2 stages as well. So just going to pull forward and wait to turn right. So turning this into the new museum for London, the old Smithfield Meat Market. Oh look, they've got a new Sainsbury's coming over there. It's still recording? Yeah. See if I can pull in up here. Go behind this guy. Sort the battery out. Hope this works. There we go. Wow, even in a year, so much has happened here, so many buildings gone up. Pull over so the car can get past. Really bumpy road now. Go carefully over the wet ironwork. There we go. Should we go for it? I'm going to get closer to the Barbican. There's a docking station just to the right. It's only a few minutes walk away outside St Bart's Hospital. But there's also a station up here. I wonder if we're going to get lucky. Can't be bothered to get the useless app out. Let's try up here. This might be a bit of a weesh. I thought there was a docking station here. I might have to pull in and check the app. Let's do that. Oh, there's one over there. There we go. Barbican's right in front of us. Just got to cross the road. Yeah, look at that, loads of docks. Let's do this. Oh my goodness, this is too easy. Just gonna walk the bike over. Yes, baby. This is how we do it. Here we go. There we go. Videographic evidence that it stopped. So that was a good one today. God, that was a lot easier than usual. I hope you enjoyed some of the sights and sounds there. I'm now going to go to work over here, but if I frame myself properly, if you like these kind of videos, thank you for, I'll show you my eyes, thank you for watching. Really appreciate you coming along to this part of the journey. Why not hit the thumbs up or the subscribe button? It really helps me to keep this channel going, so thank you. And right here is what YouTube knows you want to love watching next.